Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will be opening my Star Wars Lego Advent Calendar. This is this year's Advent Calendar. It has, there's the front, there's the back. It has some really cool models in it. So in this video I will be doing the initial opening and opening door number 1. I'll be aiming to open a door every day, where it's possible to work it around my work and personal life. If not, I will be doing double videos to make it fit. Right, we have 24 doors to open and a nice scene set like this, which is rather cool, and a base like that. So what we'll do, they've clearly set it on a cup on a planet with some ice on it, so let's find door number 1, which is here. Open the little door and we have a bag of some bits. Does it have some instruction? It is a spaceship. We'll see which one it is first. Open the bag nicely. Right, the instructions are on here, so we have the bottom bit goes there. Sorry, I have to be so these bits go on here. These bits go on the back as the, not sure which spaceship this is at the moment, but we'll see if it's as good as last year's Star Wars Advent Calendar. I might be doing a comparison video at some point in this process, so one to look forward to. Seem to have some spare bricks here. I'm just trying to work out where they go, but let me have a quick look. I think they are just spare bricks. No, they're not. I didn't think so, so hang on. These instructions are there we go. Here we have our first Star Wars ship from the Advent Calendar. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I'm quite sure it might be a Star Destroyer. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's not too bad for what it is. We'll put it back, and I've got 2 spare bits here. Thank you, Lego. Stick those in there. Could stick them on the top if you want to. So what we'll do, we'll stick that back in the calendar, and we'll have a look tomorrow at what's in door number 2. Right. Thank you for watching, and I'll be putting the next video on tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please put any feedback, constructive criticisms, or anything. Share with and feel free to like and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.